Rifter.
Continue
Now you can
straight
introduce
onto
yourself.
59 North, Gulf Shores Parkway.
I'm Mrs. the Rifter.
Dog's not
The
here.
better half.
Shut up.
Continue on Alabama 59
Shut up,
North
too.
for 6 miles.
But we have to continue on this road that we're already on.
I hate everything about this vacation so far. Not really, but
Well, to start out, getting our room,
it's your show. Go ahead.
our beach house.
You're fine, go ahead.
Everything's cool. They even have like a little
That's
nest.
funny. Everything's cool.
Yeah, they have like a little nest thing,
It's
so I
not a
turn it
nest,
down.
it's an Ecobee.
Whatever, I don't care. It looks
It's an
like a nest.
Ecobee.
Whatever.
Not a nest. It's not a nest. Ecobee.
So, I thought she was gonna start talking.
No. Ecobee.
It was set on 75. Turned it down to 70 so it could start cooling off. Cuts on. I'm like, okay, cool. Go out to the beach. Come back, clean up. We're about to leave to go out to eat. And I'm like, okay, it still feels a little warm in here. So I'll go to check it and I tap it. Nothing happens. Tap it again. Nothing happens. I said, John? There you go, by John. No. I said, babe.
What?
I don't think this is working. So then he comes to look at it. And he takes it off. He checks it. Puts it back on there. It's like, we should just be able, it should, always be on, or, you can tap it to come on. Well, apparently the air conditioner went out. And it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter inside. So we had to call the people that we're renting from. And they were like, oh, well, we'll have somebody out there as soon as possible. Alright, so we go eat. Then they call us and say, hey, the people we called can't get out there until tomorrow. Excuse me? You mean we have to sleep in sweat? Yep.
No, actually, it was pretty bad. Like, the children are just sweating profusely. We had to go out and buy
We had to buy some
fans.
box fans
And it still didn't help that much.
and fans to go in our room. Woo! If they don't get it fixed, gonna be living. And then, my radio's not done. So now this morning, we get up. It's a little bit cooler because the storm kind of cooled everything off, and it's cooler in the house. So I'm like, okay, finally I can take a shower because I was gonna take one last night. But what's the point when you're just gonna sweat somewhere? You did, but then you sweated some more.
No, I didn't.
You did?
No.
No, you did. But anyways, it was really, really hot. So, anywho, we get up this morning, take a cold shower. Couldn't even finish getting ready in the bathroom because I started sweating again as soon as I got out of the cold shower. It was ridiculous. So, anyways, we go to church, get out of the car, John's getting Corbin out, and then all of a sudden he just starts going crazy, kicking his shoes off and yelling, and I'm like, what is going on?
She thought I got the Holy Spirit in me. Turns out it was fire ants. A lot of them on my ankles and legs.
Because he was just standing in a whole nest of them.
So I'm super excited about having to deal with that for probably about the next week.
No, he goes away pretty quick. But you just gotta get some ammonia.
Actually, the burning's gone down quite a bit. I just hope they don't go into blisters, because that sucks.
Yeah.
Did you get blisters when you stood in them?
I had, I think, 1 or 2.
Well, problem
It's
is,
like they bit me all in one spot.
yeah, they kind of striped my legs. I didn't know they were on me, and then it just fire.
Fire!
But anyway, there was like a hellacious storm last night and this morning, And it looks like it's finally starting to clear up, so we're gonna go to Lambert's.
Home of the throne rolls.
If you don't know what Lambert's is, you should go. I don't want her to. Damn it. If you don't know what Lambert's is, you should go eat there. It's pretty cool. I don't really care about the throne rolls, the throne
I just think
rolls.
it's cool because they throw you your roll. They don't come in and set them on the table. They're like, hey, you want a roll? Yeah.
But if you don't want it thrown, you can have them bring it to you.
You can wait till they're closer and then they can toss it to you.
Yeah, I mean the toss like that. And if you think this outfit looks weird, it's because I don't have a white shirt on underneath.
Oh my goodness.
It's because someone didn't pack me one.
It's because somebody should be a big boy and pack his own stuff.
Look, I have a lot more things to worry about than that, okay?
You worry about making sure we have a charger for our phones.
The
And
dog
then all
stuff,
your extra stuff.
the dog stuff.
I would have gotten the dog stuff eventually.
Yeah, well, I'm the one that actually gets things together quickly. No! Anyway,
Eat your neck.
no. So we're stuck.
It's the
Nice truck. Jeez. That thing's bigger than our house.
No, it's not. Well, it might be wider. Actually, it might be wider than our house. Oh, we're about the same. No, it's about the same.
Oh, well, it comes out. Anyway, I don't know what we're doing after Lambert's. I'm assuming the beach.
As long as it's not lightning and thundering.
I don't really care about the thunder, just the lightning I worry about.
Well, I mean, with lightning, there's thunder.
She didn't want to take a shower this morning because of all the thunder.
All the lightning.
She said thunder when she said it. And then I told her you don't have to worry about the thunder. It's just lightning. No, stop! Bite you.
I hate you.
I hate you. You're the one that's scared of thunder. Ah! Did he wake up? It's like I feel like one of them bit me on my knuckle.
Probably.
I think they did. Look at that red spot on my ring finger.
I think you just imagined it.
Look at that red spot.
I don't even think that you
Look at that
stepped in fire ants. I think you just imagined it.
One bit me right there. One bit me right there.
I know what you're doing, and I'm not going to look.
What
So I'm
was
not going to give you the satisfaction
of what?
of doing what you were wanting to.
Anyway, so we're gonna go eat and probably go to the beach. No.
Krispy Kreme!
You should
Up
never
ahead.
do that again.
I just saw the sign. Cece's Pizza!
This is why the camera is moving further towards me now. Anyway, we will check back. We will check back in with you later. You know, I really wish I could find this video from a long time ago where I fell asleep on the couch and I was like,
He was laying. No, you were laying in my lap. I think.
but I fell asleep on the couch.
Yeah,
You
so
were
I
sitting
couldn't
under me.
move.
So she had, I think she took my phone.
I don't
because
know. I
That
think
was
it
the phone that was closest to her. And the credits were rolling on the screen.
And I videotaped
And she's
it.
like this.
Going,
She's like this,
In 1,000 feet, turn right.
just like trying to cover up the credits and stuff like that, being an idiot. I really wish I could find that. Anyway, we'll check back in later. Lambert's. We're going to Lambert's. Isn't that right, buddy? Here we are, another successful day at the beach. I hope you can hear this okay. I do have the sock over my microphone for my other recorder. So the day got better. We went and played at the beach for a while. I didn't get any footage of that. Really didn't do a whole lot today. I think we're gonna have pizza tonight. But it is very windy if you can't tell, or if you can't hear, I guess. It's actually shaking the camera quite a bit. I know we're going to go on a dolphin cruise at some point if the weather ever clears up, so that'll be cool. Maybe have some pizza for dinner tonight. My God, we went to Lambert's and it was ridiculous. There's a lot of food. But anyway, if you like my little vacation updates or the channel or anything on my channel, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. You know, throw me a little subscribe. Check the little bell to make sure you get all my notifications and updates. But super uneventful day other than me stepping in fire ants, which I do have some welts on my feet already. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.